Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to talk to you about the revolutionary new XDollar platform. The XDollar platform consists of two tokens, one being XUSD, which is their USD pegged stablecoin. The other is their secondary token called XDO. The main use of XUSD is to pay out loans on the XDollar platform. It can also be redeemed against the underlying collateral at any time. With just 100 million tokens, XDO is used to incentivize and reward early adopters of the platform. In the future, there will be governance features and other cool things as well. I know you're thinking to yourself, how can I make money using XDollar? Well, there's two different ways to generate revenue using XDollar. You can deposit XUSD into the stability pool and earn liquidation gains in Matic and XDO rewards as well. You can also stake XDO and earn XUSD and Matic revenue from borrowing fees and redemption fees. You may also ask, can you lose money? Yeah, you can lose money as with any other investment on the market. But the main way you could lose money is if you happen to open a trove and you borrow too much XUSD against the Matic balance that you have deposited. Your ratio can be too low and your trove can get liquidated. That's the main way to lose money. And with my demo that I'm going to be showing in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to avoid that. So let's watch the demo. Okay, so first of all, in your MetaMask wallet, you're going to go up to the hamburger button in the top left corner, go over to your browser, type in XDollar.fi. It'll take you to this screen. Here you can get all kinds of information about the TVL, the timeline, the map, the team, etc., etc. But if you want to use the app, you just click Use XDollar. Go down to Enter App. And this will take you to the main dashboard. Alright, so here in the main dashboard, you'll see the trove, you'll see the stability pool, as well as staking and the current Matic price feed. If you'd like to open a trove, you just click Open Trove. You deposit the desired amount of Matic as collateral, then you would borrow the desired amount of XUSD. You'll see that there's a liquidation reserve there that's added on. That'll get refunded as soon as you close your trove. That's just a buffer there to pay for gas in case your trove happens to be liquidated. There is a small borrowing fee for opening up a trove. However, the proceeds from that fee go directly down into the staking pool and reward everyone that staked their XDO. So if you were to stake your XDO rewards, you would be refunded your borrowing fee plus passive income on top of that. One very important thing that I can't stress enough is don't borrow too much. As you can see, I've borrowed about half of the collateral I've given. That makes my collateral ratio at 243%. That's a very good collateral ratio. I recommend you always keep it above 200%, never below 150. That's when you started to get into a riskier zone. I think 110% is when they will start liquidating your troves. So that pretty much sums up the troves and how you can get an interest-free loan by using the XDollar platform. Alright, so once your trove's all set up, you'll see that the XUSD tokens that you borrowed are now in your wallet. Personally, I would recommend staking them in the stability pool. The stability pool is the first line of defense for keeping the stablecoin stable. That means that they reward all those that participate in this pool greatly. You'll get Matic as well as XDO. You gain Matic whenever other troves are liquidated, and you just passively earn XDO. As you can see, I'm earning about 158% APR and XDO rewards. You have two options when claiming your rewards. You can either claim Matic and XDO directly to your wallet, or you can claim your XDO and move your Matic up to the trove, which I did. I earned 15 Matic and then I moved it back up to the trove, which boosted my collateral ratio. So basically I'm building up my treasure trove. I then took the XDO I claimed and I put it down in this XDO staking pool, which is the next one I'm going to show you. Whenever you stake in this, you earn a percentage of all the fees from when people open and close troves. So you're basically gaining back all the fees that you paid to open your trove, plus making a little passive income from then on out. So that's pretty much an overview of your dashboard here. You also have a few other places you can farm. You can provide liquidity via Sushi Swap. You can also check out the risky troves, see if there's any of them that are about ready to get popped. If you happen to see any troves with a low collateral ratio, you can go ahead and liquidate them yourself if you want to, but mainly this is carried out by bots early on. You may be able to find a few, but Also there's, you see this little I button in the top? You can click that. You can view all the XDollar statistics. You can view your account balances that are in your wallet, as well as the kickback rate. But that's pretty much an overview and a demo of their platform. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will include a few links in the description to their documents in which I've gained a lot of my material. If you guys thought this video was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.